This is part 3 of the 3.04, and we're almost done. So bleach that you would find in many households has a hydroxide concentration of 1 times 10 to the negative 2 molar. What is the pH of household bleach? Now remember, to do pH, we can't use concentration of hydroxide. We have to convert it to concentration of hydrogen ions. So again, write down the information. In this case, you are given the concentration of hydroxide ions, and you need the concentration of hydrogen ions. Determine the hydrogen ion concentration. So recall that when we multiply the two concentrations together, we get 1 times 10 to the negative 14th molar. You know the concentration of hydroxide ions, so you can use your algebra skills to determine the concentration of hydrogen ions. So, concentration of hydroxide ions, or X, times 1 times 10 to the negative second molar, which we got from over here, equals 1 times 10 to the negative 14th molar, which you got to divide both sides by 1.0 times 10 to the negative 2 molar, and that gives you a concentration of hydrogen ions of 1 times 10 to the negative 12 molar. Determine the pH. pH equals the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions. Put in your calculator and you get an answer of 12. Again, make sure you know how to put it in your calculator. All right, so let's add this to our notes. So I just copy pasted the problem into our notes, and then I also added from before that indicators. If they're red, it's an acid. If it's blue, it is a base. The pH scale is used to describe the acidity or alkalinity, or how basic, of a substance. As you've learned in this lesson, pH is a measure of the hydrogen ion concentration of a solution. The formula for calculating pH is pH equals the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions. Substances with a pH of 7 are neutral solutions. That is, the concentrations of hydrogen ions, H+, and hydroxide ions, OH-, are equal. Solutions with a pH between 7 and 14 are basic, or alkaline solutions. Solutions with a pH less than 7 are acidic. Knowing the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution is all that is needed to determine the solution's pH. So pH indicates acidity with values less than 7. pH indicates neutrality with a value of 7. pH indicates alkalinity with values greater than 7. And that's it for this lesson.